Most people get this wrong when budgeting for ServiceTitan. They look at the monthly price and think they understand the cost. But that number is only the surface. The real expense often shows up later, and it catches business owners completely off guard. Here's the truth no one tells you. ServiceTitan is not just a software subscription. It is an entire operational system with hidden costs that can stack up fast if you are not prepared. In this video, you are going to see exactly where those hidden costs come from, how they impact small and large businesses differently, and how to decide if it is actually worth it for you in 2026. Let's break it down. First, the obvious cost is the subscription. ServiceTitan is positioned as a premium platform for HVAC, plumbing, and other home service businesses. But here's where it gets interesting. The subscription alone is rarely the full story. The first hidden cost is onboarding and implementation. Many businesses like Alex's small HVAC company assume they can just sign up and start using it immediately. But ServiceTitan often requires structured onboarding, setup assistance, and sometimes paid training. This can take time and money before you even fully launch the system. Now, here's the problem. During this onboarding phase, you are not just paying money. You are also spending time. And for a service business, time means lost jobs, delayed workflows, and temporary inefficiency. The second hidden cost is training your team. ServiceTitan is powerful, but it is not instantly intuitive for every technician or office manager. Your dispatchers, installers, and customer service staff need to learn new workflows. That means training hours, mistakes during early use, and sometimes even temporary productivity drops. Now, here's where most people fail. They only calculate software cost, but they forget the cost of disruption during adoption. Let's talk about the third hidden cost, integrations and add-ons. ServiceTitan offers a lot of features, but not everything is always included in the base package. Things like advanced marketing tools, call tracking, or additional integrations may come at extra cost depending on your setup. Over time, these add-ons can increase your monthly spend more than expected. Now imagine Jake, who runs a growing plumbing company. He starts with basic features, but as his business scales, he adds more tools for reporting, marketing, and automation. Each layer improves his operation, but also increases his total cost. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest hidden cost is scaling complexity. As your business grows inside ServiceTitan, your setup often becomes more advanced. That means more configuration, more system management, and sometimes even dedicated staff to manage the software itself. For larger companies, this is expected and planned for. But for smaller teams, it can feel overwhelming and expensive very quickly. Another cost people do not think about is dependency. Once your entire business runs on ServiceTitan, switching away becomes difficult. Your data, workflows, and processes are deeply integrated. That means future migration to another system is not simple or cheap. So what does this all mean in 2026? ServiceTitan can absolutely be worth it, but only if you understand the total cost of ownership, not just the subscription fee. If you are a small business under a few technicians, these hidden costs can feel heavy. You may end up paying more in time and complexity than you gain in efficiency. If you are a larger growing operation, these costs become part of scaling. In fact, for big teams, the efficiency gains can outweigh the expenses. Now let's make this simple. The real cost of ServiceTitan is not just money. It is money, time, training, and operational change combined. To wrap it up, ServiceTitan is powerful, but it is not lightweight. The companies that succeed with it are the ones that plan for all costs up front, not just the monthly price. The biggest takeaway is this. Before you buy ServiceTitan, don't just ask what it costs per month. Ask what it costs your business to fully adopt it. If this helped you see the real picture behind the pricing, leave a comment with your business size, like the video, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns that save you from expensive mistakes.